about it, the relationships we nurture determine the very fabric of our lives. The relationship with our friends, family, colleagues, everyone determines the quality of our life, determines how we feel, how we grow, how we are nurtured. So let's dive deep into this very interesting topic on the 5 love languages. So what's the love language of your friend or your romantic partner or your family member? What is it that they truly like in terms of the way they express themselves? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shine and Inspire. Today we are going to dive deep into the concept of love, relationships and connections. Sometimes we often feel misunderstood. We feel the other person not understanding what we want, right? So it's important that you know the love language of the other person. How does the other person like to be treated? What is their love language? We are going to break down the 5 love languages, how to recognize them, how to express love to each other. What's the love language of your partner? So let's explore each of the 5 love language one after the other. Number 1, words of affirmations. Have you ever felt your friend light up when you give them a compliment? So maybe their love language is words of appreciation. So a simple thank you or a simple "you're looking great" or "I value you, I appreciate you, I love you" is going to make all the difference. Number 2, quality time. Sometimes we often see that some people prefer to spend a quality time with you rather than just words of affirmations, right? So it's important that you give them your time. You'll see in many families there are kids, right? And sometimes their parents are not able to give them their time. So what is it that they want? They don't want the gift, just the gift. Maybe of course they need the gift as well. So they basically are looking for your quality time, focused time, where you are giving them undivided attention. No phone, no TV, just you and the other person. So that could be a person who believes in spending quality time. Number 3, acts of service. You might have observed some people like it when you offer them a cup of tea. They feel loved. Or in case you massage their hair or whatever, like make some good food for them. So maybe their love language is act of service, right? So you need to observe people. What is it that they really like? What is lighting them up when you're doing for them? So act of service could be one of the love language in your relationship with your partner, let's say. Number 4, receiving gifts. For someone, for example, on their anniversary, if you give them a gift, they feel loved. Or on a special occasion, or generally if you give them surprise gifts, they like it. Maybe their love language is receiving gifts. So just observe your relationship closely. What is it that they like and love? So last but not the least, number 5, physical touch. So maybe for someone, physical touch is their love language. They like to shake hand, or maybe hugging is something which feels them affectionate, right? So you have to understand what's the love language of the person you are with. It's important that you understand the love language of each other, which ultimately strengthens the connections, nurtures the connection that you have with each other. So what's your love language? So maybe you have one of these love languages, your partner has some of these love languages, or maybe one of these is more like a primary love language, and it is also possible that someone has multiple love languages, like 2 to 3 out of these, but one is like a priority. They like it when someone gives them gift, for example, or quality time could be very important for someone, or act of service could be very important for someone, or physical touch, or even words of affirmations could be very important for someone. So just share your love language in the comment section here. With that, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Keep shining and inspiring. Thank you.